What is up everyone, Matt from VizFrame here, and in this short video I'm going to show you how fast and super simple it is to use our ez3D app to take your 3D model from VizFrame and drop it in your Shopify store. First things first, make sure you've installed VizFrame's ez3D app to your Shopify store. When we enter the app, you'll see some simple instructions to get started on the Home tab. Step 1 would be to choose a plan that's appropriate for your needs. For this tutorial, we can leave it on the default free plan where you can store up to 3 models. After that, we'll click back on the Home tab and make a note of what your VizFrame username is. It should be whatever email address you're currently using for Shopify. This email has already been registered at VizFrame. Now let's follow the link to vizframe.com. Installing the app automatically creates an account for you at VizFrame, so all you need to do here is to create your password. Click the account icon here and follow the steps to change your password. Since I already have an account, I'll go ahead and sign in. Once signed in, you can customize a model of your choosing. There are tutorial videos on using our software located at vizframe.com's Help Center or by visiting the Help Center located in the ez3D app. I have already prepared a model for this tutorial, so I'll go to the Order section in the Account drop-down to see it. Now let's head back to Shopify and make a product. I've already created one and have just called it Soda Can. Next, we'll open up the ez3D app, head to the 3D Models tab, and you'll see that whatever models are in your VizFrame account will be available to choose from. Let's click Assign to Product, select the product we created in our Shopify store, then click Add. If we revisit our Products section and preview the soda can we made, you'll see that you now have a fully interactive 3D model of the product we created. And that's all there is to it. Fast and simple, as promised.